Hi everybody. In this lesson I wanted to show another way how to graph lines in addition to the slope-intercept form. Here we want to look at graphing just using intercepts. So here's a simple fact. Besides converting to the easy to graph slope-intercept form, lines written in the standard or general form, this ax plus by equals c form, can also be easily graphed by simply plotting the x and the y-intercepts. So for example, suppose I want to find the x and y-intercepts of this equation and sketch the graph. So you remember, if I want to find the y-intercept, I let x equal 0. And when the equation is written in this general form, if x is 0, you just put your hand over the 2x, because when x is 0, that's going to disappear. And then you have this equation right here that negative 3y equals 6, right? So you can just solve that in your head. You divide both sides by negative 3, and you get that y is going to be negative 2. So you get the y-intercept 0, negative 2. And then likewise, to find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0. So if y is 0, I would put my finger over the y term, the negative 3y, because when y is 0, that's going to become 0, and you'll just get the 2x right here equals 6. Okay? And again, you can do that in your head. Divide both sides by 2, you'd get x equals 3. So there is another intercept, and since it only takes 2 points to graph a line, and hopefully at this stage in your algebra you'll be able to do that very accurately, then you can just connect the dots and you will have the equation of the line there. Okay? So notice that the x-intercept is always where it crosses the x-axis, and so if you have a line or any graph that crosses the x-axis, even if you don't know the exact x value, in this case we know it's 3, but you certainly know that the y value is 0, right? So for every x-intercept, you know that y is 0, so you just plug in y equals 0. And likewise, if you're on the y-axis, you may not know the exact y value, but certainly you know the x value is 0 because you're on the y-axis. Okay, so to find the y-intercept, you just let x equal 0.